Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a flyer using Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have Adobe Photoshop, please get it and install in your PC. And for those ones who are beginning or are learners on how to create flyers, please, this is the right place for you. I'm going to teach you, walk you through step by step on how to create a flyer. I want you to be a professional in Adobe Photoshop and in flyers, in the receipt books, in everything with Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop does everything. It does printing, it does receipts, it does flyers, it does banners, all. So today I'm going to run you through. So this is the software I have. So when I open it, that's how it will be like. Then yeah, I'm going to create new. Now from create new, we're going to choose print. If it was photo, we're going to choose photo. That is, if you want to maybe edit photos, you can use photos. But now, if you're going to get work to be printed out, use print. Whether receipt books, whether flyers, whether business cards, use print, please. Now, today I'm going to use A4. Now I've chosen A4. Then come to the right hand side this way. Start from here. File name, let's give it as flyer. Let it be in millimeters. Then here, this is the orientation. If you want it to be or landscape, you can choose this one, landscape. If you want it to be portrait, you can choose this one, portrait. But for today, I'm going to use portrait. Then the resolution has to be at 300 for clear view, because there's a reason as to why it has to be at 300. You know, when you magnify an image on a phone, maybe you'll find those breaks on image. So that's why it's recommended when you put at 300. So on a phone, when you magnify that image, if they put the resolution at 300, you will not see those breaks. So then I'll let it be at pixels, there's no problem. Color mode, I want it to be at CMYK. The background content, so let it be white. Then I think that's all. Let me say great. Yeah, now this is our file. Now we're now going to create our flyer. You come to pen tool, which is this one. This is a pen tool. You come and click there. Then let's move our pen tool. Start from here. Yes. Make sure you enclose this. We enclose it from here. That's all. Now this is our text tool. We can now put here, let it be text. Can say uh, the text color is black, is white, so we can't see that effect. Let's first change the color. Change the color from here to black for the text. The command text as Abzi's restaurant. See, the font is big. We can reduce the font. This from here. Reduce to like, now let's put at 30, 36. Yeah. Let's move it up. Let's change the color to be red. Yes. Then let's change the font. font is changed from here. These are fonts. Change all of them if you want. Now let's just change that. Okay, let me change another one. Yes. Then let's add another text or text too. You can even use shortcuts like T or your dish. Change this one to Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Times New Roman. I want that one. Actually, I want regular. Times New Roman regular. Let the font to be like 11. No, like 18. Let the color be black. Let the spacing, I want it to space. Let's space it to 100. 200. There's no problem. What else can we change from here? Let it be bold. No, I don't want to be bold. Yeah. Actually, let's bold it. Yes. Since our spaced, let's first remove the spacing to like 50. Let's put this one capital letters. Let's put all your dish available. That will be like available. Yeah. Let's also change these to be capitals. Come here, change it to capitals. Remove that. Yes. Now, if you have a logo, you can put a logo here. Let's put a logo. Let's try to get an image. You come to File, come place, linked. I want to choose an image. Where these images. Actually, let's choose this one. There's no problem. Let me just choose that as a logo. I'm just using this as a logo. Then Shift and move the image. Shift and left click on it and move the image. So let's assume that this is our logo. This is how it will be like. Then I want us now to come and design this shape. You come this side and select shape, then Control T. In Control T, you can now make a copy of it. For you to make a copy of it, you can either say Control T and Control C, Control V and paste. But you can also use the shortcut of Alt, left click and drag. You have made a copy already. So now that meaning there are two. Now we're going to change a color of one to be, let's change its color We're going to change a color. Right click on it, go to blending options. Let's say color overlay. Let it be actually. Let me first move that, and you see. I want to give a color of red. So now let's Control T on that copy and move. Use the arrow keys. That is the color we have made. Now let's create another color. Let's create another copy. Let's create a copy of. I want to create a copy. That is Alt. Move. I want to give a color white. Let it be white. I want it to be pure white. That is, it has to be F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has to be. Then let's move that. Look, guys, now that triangle, that shape is on top of this, but I want it to be in the middle. So I'll just move it up here to where this one is. Yes. Now I'm going to move it down a bit. See you guys. Yes. Now we're going to move this one, the red one, up a bit like that, so that we get that effect. We can also move it like that way. Then you like that. Yes. Now that is our flyer. Now we're going to add some images down here. I want us to put those images, but before we're going to create shapes. We're going to come here, shapes. I want us to get Eclipse. Now Eclipse, we're going to make a circular icon. Just click on it, left click and drag. If you want, you can shift and drag. It controls the shapes of the circle. You see, it does not allow the circle to come over in over way. You can see like this one. If I just say left click and drag, it makes those oval corners. You see, guys. But now when you shift, you try to control the circle of it. So you don't need to create a circular thing of it. Then you can also shift another one here. Yes. Yeah. This is now our eclipse. Move it down. Yeah. Let's first again increase like that. Make a copy of that. Let's first stick here. Then make a copy. That's one. Let's make like 3 copies. 2. So let's first move the first second copy. Move it away. Then you move this third copy. This first copy. Move it away. Now we're going to bring our image. We're going to bring our image. Place linked image. Now I have some images in here in the videos. Yes, let's get this image out. is coming. Yeah, it is this come. You adjust the image to make it fit the circle a bit. Just cover the circle, just like that. This is the image. Come to where the image is, then right click on it and create a clipping mask. You see guys, that is first of all one. Now in this eclipse, I want us to add a stroke. Let's give it a stroke, or I want us to give a stroke. Come to grading options. Let's give a stroke, but let the stroke be like 5. Then let the stroke color be white, so that it is see 1 2 3 1, that white, that's white. Now let the stroke size be like 10, let it be like 20. Yeah, let it be like 20. Actually, let's increase like 25. What about 30? Yeah, let it be at 30. That is our one thing. Now the second eclipse is this one. Select on it and move it up. You can move it up using arrow keys. Then again we bring another image. File, place linked. Let's choose this image. We move it to cover just the circle. Tick and say create a clipping mask. Then in the third one, actually let's also add this one a stroke. First of all, a stroke of 30, which is okay, and just be color white. No, sorry. This one, the eclipse. This one, ellipse, stroke. Let it be 30. Click OK. We go to another circle, which is this one. We're going to place our image again. Let's place this image. Place here. Make it fit the circle. Just click on it. Come to the eclipse. Come to the image. Right click on it. Create a clipping mask. Now let's add the stroke. Then the options. Come to stroke. Yes, 30. Yes, now that is all. Now here we're going to add our text down, like contact info. Yes, let's first of all choose color red. Let me say contact. Excuse me. We have to go on top of the top where is our shapes. Our shape is this. This is our shape, so we want to be on top of that shape. You can say contact us. Control T and move it here. You can change the color and the font. Yeah, Then you put your numbers here, plus 25677. You can change this color to be white. White. Yeah. Yes. Now that's all. Now we can also add here, maybe in this space we can add some text if you want, and you can also add an image if you want. So let's say like we want to add a picture. We bring place linked image. Then we can choose like let's choose this image. Let's place it here. Move it. Move it. Just move it. Don't worry about that. We can put like that. Don't worry about it. We shall fix it. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to move this under the shape. The image we have just moved, is this one. So we move this one down the, so that it moves inside these shapes. So now our text here is not clear, but now we can just reduce the image a bit. We can decide it to be like that. Yeah, we can decide it to be like that. Right, guys. Now after you have designed your flyer like this and you feel now to share with your client, now you want to share on phone, of course you're not going to share it in Adobe, with Adobe when it's like this in Adobe Photoshop. No, you're going to get it as an image, then you share with your client on WhatsApp, first of all, for him to first see how it is. Then he can tell you, go ahead and print. So now for you first of all to share, to save this image as, okay, to save this file as an image, now you come to file here, then you come to save as. You can say yes, that is the name of our flyer. I want us to save it on a desktop. And now here you save as type. Now this is the Photoshop type. There are very many types. There is large, there is Word, there is also PDF. This is a PDF. So now, but now for this time, I'm going to save it as JPEG, meaning JPEG is an image. So I'm going to save it as JPEG, then I say save. It will bring this, then say okay. Right, now our image has been saved. Let's go to the desktop and check. It is this one, yes. Now this, you can share it with your client. You can send it to your phone, then forward on WhatsApp. It's opening this image. Yes, this is now our flyer. Right, it's an image form. Now if it gives you a go ahead that go and print this image, you're not going to again to print the image alone, right? You're not going to print this as an image. Rather, you have to again go back to Adobe Photoshop, then you save it as PDF. Let me show you like this. Come to file, save as, come here and save it as PDF. This is a PDF. Save it on a desktop. And we say save. Settings, choose okay, save. Then it will bring this prompt out. Of course, we want high quality printout. This is high quality standard. it has to be that. Let me say save. I don't want this to be shown next time. Continue. This is a saving progress, but it's at 99. It's saving our PDF. Yeah, it has saved. Now let's go to the desktop and we check. This is our PDF, guys. So now this is the PDF. I'm opening this PDF. Let it first open. Wow, this is the PDF file of it. You see, this is the PDF. Yeah, Habzi restaurant. All your dishes. Actually, it's supposed to be dishes available. Then that's all. Thank you so much. You see, guys, how clear it is. It's very easy. Thank you. Please, if you're new to this channel, a request, please subscribe to my channel so that you get videos on Adobe Photoshop. Actually, in technology, because I did IT, so I have the vast knowledge on technology, graphics, whatever. Thank you so much for watching this.